What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, the topic of discussion right now all over social media are Rosealee fight at Rio Hotel with the female. You see me, I say figure it out, you know what I mean? Come talk how you feel about the fight. Zuma, Lando, you know what I mean? Ivany, I think TikTok liar. You know what I mean? Blinga, everybody have them opinion on the fight. You see me I say? So, make we get in it with people and hear what them have to say. I don't know me can't share the fight footage with Uno. Yes, me can't share it on yourself. So, if you don't see it, you don't see it elsewhere. You know what I mean? So, make we get in it with people.
Chill out. I to my boss, you know, like BJ blood clad kite. I to me have blood clad name now. Make you enough up. Because back there you never look, you never, you're surprised, me call us. You never did want me. You finally want me now, come here a superstar. Me have a bad boy. Move. Chat. The video I make last night about Donia. It was a comparison to what Donia say. It was a comparison it was a comparison for me. Can they tell the video out of proportion and say she feel away? Can they apologize to you? Come I really want to wake up. I don't really want you to come live today. I want to drag the story. Because you know me hate when ranker I look clout. Me hate when rankers look clout. Me never try disrespecting and know where me a good and me a cool. I mean me don't know where you think the video is about. Me not disrespect a girl. Whether or not me never drive in a car with you or not, me not disrespect a girl. Me never have a beef before on the internet. When you and Donna did a raid, me never up my mouth, you know. But me realize if I'm me and two, me and Akim and Rain, you not give you a chance. You not give you no chance. But if I say something to offend you, if I say something to offend you, I apologize. Come on, disrespect your girl. Me only show the people them want comparison. It's a comparison. Because me mind not do only say Akim scan me and he no want me. You and him we know what they and him do was together. When me see on the FYP when you there me alone I eat egg sandwich and I think you bite it and give him and take it from you. So I am me assure me I clarify say if you ever say Akim scan me don't remember you scan Khandy. Me never try to bring it on girl. Me don't have any beef. So you come laughing and do all of this Khandy. It don't make no sense. Me not disrespect your girl. If don't go put him out in a people argument, them go always automatically call your name. You can't run from that. Me not disrespect, me show a comparison after what me say because me saying the told the FYP eating with man. So me I said to Donna say like oh you say Akim don't want me, you don't want Khandy neither. And she did really like you. This is what I never did come live and even did chat. She really did like you. So me say man use all woman. Do all out to my woman man use way. At that point, I may have been crossed the board. Sorry if you feel disrespected. Come on, now, this your girl. But one not listen for understand, one listen for jump for right clout. What me have this for? Me ain't no problem. Khandy come here. You ever see me on social media yet? In sin no shenanigans and bite out. Me's a home alone. Me no do like senseless them. Where's a FYP papi show? Me no go on FYP and see something watching around pan it for clout. Me create something different from anybody. Me's a unique gem. Me a Gemini. Me have 382 personality. I can be a bitch. I can be a whore. I can be a slut. I can be a wife. I can be sad now. I can be happy. When you Mrs. Unpredictable, me not look after FYP for something for one and one come chat about it unless you not fast with me. You're supposed to know that Khandy there long enough. Me never hear nobody in an argument I picked up on my head. Me not long it all out to the name till it long out. Me don't even so know. And you know what disappoint me in everything? What disappoint me in everything, you know? The whole of me and you cool and me and Donna cool. And the whole of look closer to the story. Because if something with me and Akeem, wanna pinch one look a P side, I pinch half P side, I pinch it. And what me not like is you don't give people chance on the FYP. Can they get your time? Don't they get your time? You know how long time I know don't they like me? Don't remember the days when you and busted and binds them and all of them. You busted and binds and why can it sit down and class with daily part life, you know? Rosalee too big and too crave when you put a suitcase on the blood clot and do the things, you know. You don't because I can't walk and other people. I not add nobody. Me not add nobody, come never bring her down. It's a comparison with me see. And if you gonna label out something with me, I gonna label back out something with you and me say. Me wouldn't scan Khandy. Me wouldn't scan Khandy, you know. She's a nice person. Me wouldn't scan Khandy.
Some people want to tell more the thinking in the comment section as you know me I run through that one quick and fast for people. So here I go on you know. See Rosalee no say yo. Me not gonna say no, but him feel to make it be known say boy this is social media and everybody will look clout no matter what. You see me anybody will have the clout and any little thing go on with them or somebody else them are gonna stretch it out just to get some of the clout because clout equal coins. You know what I mean? So let me know what to think my people. Make watch some more.
Me wouldn't scan her. But when him there the yard with her to him bite it. You see the video on the FYP. You see it. Say me come out and I compare somebody. Why look like a this? Me not this yo. I style me the video she not style don't ya. Me not style don't me I show him up. If you sit down and listen to the message, you get it. You get it. If you sit down and actually listen to the message, Khandy, you get it. All of us gonna hear some clout. Me not give you them. No, me not doing it. Me not disrespect you because you never disrespect me, but you have to understand where I'm coming from to can see where me I go. You have to understand where me I come from, for this where me I go. Me not styling in no way. Me I compare what I seen on the FYP when they did there in my yard to what me and Akim do what they down there so. You understand what me I say? And if you feel offended, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry. I can't do nothing. I'm sorry. So when they come by me, if I just shut up. Because in time them come by me, I notice, you know, over here, you know, so when them come by me, they can say all and what they want to say. As long as me open my mouth, and me get the end of the shit in the blood clot stick. Dan, come here. Dan, me a jump off one time. Dan, me a you could jump off one time, Dan. We talk back and we cut ties. Dan is a big man on social media. Me not jump off one time, but I grew up like her as a big woman and highly respect. I don't know her feelings against me because I don't walk on other people. Dan, stop, come out here, come do this. Don't ask me where is the rest of Peter Gay's story. Go and ask your wicked liar friends. Don't mix me up. Stop. When me forget the rest of Peter Gay's story from una uno, and your friend them did sell me the story. What make you so evil? And Dan, do not let your friends don't make your friend them make you have accountability upon the app. Dan, don't let liar because you have no accountability upon the app. You're a big woman. Use your so. No come ask me a Peter Gay story like me creator. I lie, I create Peter Gay. I want me find out my shame. My shame. I want to talk to Jabas and I can't talk to Jabas for hold it in me. And somebody may tell coming out. Sometimes when I talk about it, I hold me come my shame. Come here and say. When I look, I see them draw the story. I mind that Peter Gay girl, you know. That Peter Gay girl, because them not arrest me, because them not say nothing, you know. Because some man tell me say I don't have to argue on social media. I say I hold, but I not argue, I explain it. Peter Gay story. When I find it out, I say blunt clout. You know how I find out, you know how I find out say Peter Gay no real. Since me I came out of the series, I lie about the lie upon me. I mean I said to myself, say done Rosealee. Since recently, me I find out say Peter Gay no real. When liar tell a lie on me. I say blood clot. All along, I believe that Peter Gay was real. All along, nobody couldn't tell me nothing. Nobody couldn't tell me nothing. I went, me not call share name for the arm. I went share them the pan. She not real. I said, I could have take my neck off of the black in front of her. So she can't tell me nothing. Me believe she will. Me not Dan. Come here in the Dan. You're a big woman in the Dan. If you stop it, you stop it, Dan. You're a big woman. Stop it. Your friend them are big people. When you talk truth and when your friend them wrong, Oh, me if you create Peter Gay, one of them call me on video call and show me cut in her belly and stab round her so. Anal people say Jabas for carrying her body hole. And her mouth all part her. It's them call me on video call one night. So when I went share them and I went share them over here, I said Peter Gay no real. Cute boss, I said Peter Gay no blood clad real. Sunshine, I said cute Peter Gay no real. Roger over here, I said Peter Gay no real. Me can't follow them because them come up on video call and show me a person with a cut in her belly and I show one picture so she get fucking her back and all about. Turn down that good as. Them show me concrete evidence that Peter Gay real. Them show me a person and show me scars. Then remember Dan you see it, you know Dan. Dan remember say you lie, I got a friend so you know. So where you come poach you, when the rest of Peter Gay story, go and ask liar. It's them creator not me, them and skydive them the creator. You know when me know say I lie? When liar literal tell a lie for me. I say blood clot. My job back in my thinking chance say no. Then if liar literally tell a lie for me, that means the Peter Gay story is not real. But go back in my swaddling clothes and shame. When Angela come back for me, say Angela, you know, say Peter Gay story in the blood clot real. Because liar tell a blunt lie for me. And if you tell a blunt lie for me, that means you're lied. So for my obvious lied, that you don't have the accountability role with that.
People, when you see me tell you, see a big story, them come sell boy, yeah. You can't believe everything them people you say. And you don't hear me I tell you, say, yo, this not sound like that person you're real. This seems like a character where them create. And see it? One of the person who did a friend with the people them who did that where push this character. You know what I mean? Say the person are real, come to the conclusion after people saying it over and over. She analyzed it and says that this character is not real. You see me, this person was created for use as scapegoat, for put all the blame on and take the blame off of everybody. You see me? I
can't apologize because I'm ashamed. We let him unblock him and chat to him. Me want to come apologize to Jabas. Come and say, Jabas, I'm shame. Because I never know such a liar them wicked and evil and lie diamond. I mean wicked. No accountability. None. So if you want to go with them, you go on. You can't ask me what the rest of Peter gets to. You have to ask a lawyer, your friend. One time, I call Macy. I said, Macy, no man, the story I get out of hand. Peter get read for you. I mean, say, yes, Rosealee, she real. You know, see the girl with her scholar, so I stand by her so 110%. But I think them brainwash Macy too. But it them brainwash Macy too. So when Peter get come out one day with Jakes and the bag of and tea and blay. I want to go ask myself, I'm gonna create Peter again. Remember when me a class girl down, when me a class a girl or a boy down, me have to walk on. Dan, come here. Why not do these things to me? Remember say your friend them alone class people and go along in a detail. Me not do that. I beg me come for beg. Dan, your friend them alone, watch there and listen, your friend them alone, class people, and go for them mama, them sister, them auntie, them nephew, them house, them rock, them chat, them business document, them file, them degree, them the masters. Your friend them alone do that. I go to class, Jabas and me and Jabas do 2 for 1 and band for band pan this blood clot, yeah. I'm leave him alone. Because it's not so serious. And your friend them alone walk and search it, surf it together like how them walk and search it for me for bring me down. That's why them draw for eat that Jakes. For Jakes show them my dirty jars where I used to wash and the and the jar me know I lie them 2 times. For bring me down. You know, we know this, Dan. Stop move like a stupid. You're a big woman. Me hate when big woman now say eye to eye. Don't make me smarter than you. Your friend them are wicked. Them now, we can't rely upon them for shit. I pay liar story they make up. And shame after when them story not go nowhere. Because wow, them just want up on the internet for chat people. And them the work. Don't follow them trap. Don't ask me about Peter Gay Daddy, a liar creator. No credibility, no nothing. Me want class Jabas, me can't look on Jabas and tell Jabas him fault. Dan, we know this. If me a come class somebody on social media, me don't even dig up in them pass, feeling a chattings with them. Me can look by and make you know say something is wrong with you. And your friend them alone class if I go along in a detail, you know this, Dan. Don't ask me about Peter Gay. Ask liar. Me can't create I don't know if I'm no way. God broke me, they can't kill me, them call me about woman. And I went liar till I lie upon me realize that Peter Gay is not blood clot real. I'm a shan't talk it. Me I warn me mouth. I say me I wait till January. Me tell Angela, you know what, come up about Peter Gay because Peter Gay not real. I'm ashamed. But me can't, me shame, and I say, Judge, I'm ashamed. Because look, I still don't follow them and tell lie upon people. We don't go so. But I couldn't know, you know. I couldn't know, because based on half of the evidence where them give me, and what them I say Peter Gay real. She not real, Dan. You can't ask me that, boo. You can ask Lion and Sky Diamond to create them. And then I walk a scrub scandal and rumor about people. Me not come about that, I work me come, you know. Anyway, I'm not dwell upon the Peter Gay story because what? Me no creator, I add me pan call with her. Add me pan call with her. Me no creator. I'd never created her. You ever go, she want to know about like, Peter just go ask Sky Diamond and stick up a friend them. And if a friend them and Dan for a big woman of me respect, when me see you talk clarity and facts most of the time, if you go par with 2 liars, me not gonna listen to when you talk. Therefore run with your liar friend them. Don't make you fall with them. Cause sometimes Dan come out and say few words, me see the facts and the right attack as a bigger woman for me. Don't let lion fall with lions, Sky Diamond. Them don't make them trap because they the ones trap me. Alright, hold on. The other day we done this, so I notice, you know. Everything on social media, on a run with. Everything on social media, on a run with. And from the other day, I saw no. One of them I saw no now about me and my man. Every time I touch the FYP, boy no want me, boy I use me this and that and that and that and that and that. Me delusional to me teeth, me eye, me ears. He might use me. So he might use me and me I use him. So the two name Mr. and Mrs. User, aka Mrs. Delise. What wrong with you know? You know, so a man will care about a person bigger than any fuck. You know, so the first time I meet Akim, he wash my foot and dry it and put back in his car. Me don't know who I see now, but me know what me don't know who I see now, but me know what me feel and get. Me not gonna work with you and tell me about my man. I want to story me about the body. You know, so the first time I meet Akim, I wash out my 2 foot. Them, me don't never make a painting now. He wash out my 2 foot them and dry them and put back in them car. Delusional, oh me delusional. If a person care about me and me want to care about them, I only delusional. It's only delusional. It's only delusional enough. It's only delusional enough. Of course, him blood clot care. Him care. Where me by? Him care about me and me care about him. Bakawa, it's silent party. If I want to come say this, you know, God. But boy. It's silent party. Why? I'm going to give you flowers. You have to get it, boom. You see silent party. I think that he wanted the best interest of art when he keep him birthday party Bakawa. The next day, me like a quote. So when I know if I got a party about, and the next day, me have quote, me have pick the cold earring. Me can't go down my alcohol level under 2.0. Me couldn't go and party. So whether I want create tantrum and create havoc, me I talk to real people who have sense. Not about some real people, not about some little orange trollers. You can't go in at the courthouse with a liquor level over a certain amount. I want pick the court. And if you're not looking fit to stand up in our hearing, you can't get back again. I couldn't go to him prevent me if I'm going to the people in court looking like.
Alright, my people. So, want to tell more of the things. See, there's a lot more I say, but through me have to run through that video quick and fast and go on it. You see me? But when me have to say, my people, enough time people are telling things on social media, and you know, if you feel the type of way I want to cuss them and them way there, you know, because people see what go on and I show you, you're blinded by love. You know what I mean? Nobody not say this youth you don't care for you. But what you want from him not have that for him, not give that. You see me I say, him a give you friendship to the maximum, but you want more than friendship. You understand? And at that the people them must say, yo, stop invest yourself in this youth here for have a relationship because him no want that with you. I just that the people them tell you, you know. You see me I say?
Like a junkie. A long after I come to myself and I realize before that them call me, stop company internet come argue, remember you have code Friday, stop. Remember say them I use whatever pay you over here, stop. Like have a comment, because when I hear one girl we are talk woman, the girl that chat to you, the girl have to listen. I'm gonna be honest, chat. And me jump out a conclusion. But him did right. And if I give him flowers, you can't have a picnic earring and go in at the people in place looking like a junkie, smell your blood alcohol, you stink really like me the guy make a night and drink and junk. Me have caught 11 o'clock the morning. I don't know when me get because when you're highly intoxicated and drunk, you have at least take hours to sleep it off so it can wear out of you. Me I go back in me I go to the people in courthouse looking like a junkie. And then it'll be my mistake because sometimes when me and Akim I will jump off 95% of the time I make it 100. Him tell me certain things where through my stubborn me like do my own way. And then when I do my own thing I always have to fix things. So I said, all I tell a girl I do this, she want to do what she feel like and then I feel fix it. Leave the blood clot boy man, I left him and move. Everything in the trouble, left him. Blood clot, left him. That's the truth. Come and look into it one night and I said, blood cleans are the boy that saved me. Because if me really make her go drink and drunk and go call the next day, me don't think so me don't get by the pity them for come out here because me that over drink. And if you're going around courthouse and have kids, your blood alcohol level can be more than 2.0. So if me left party with makeup and eyelash and the bag of excitement and this and that, I look like me just come from my dance last night. The judge would have said, miss, you're coming from a party, go back outside. What you to Caesar you have to give to blood clad Caesar, me dear. Candice, my baby. What you to Caesar you have to give to Caesar. And it's just the fucking truth. Yeah, because if me got a party and wake up and over, me not get by the penny them, and him know me that court. So sometimes people are saying you nasty, you know, and sometimes I grab my feelings and I listen, you know. Me when me realize sometimes it's too late. It always reach because I always grab my feelings first, then listen after. So when I left me and my man, no, please. Me don't want to get dictate to me. I'm delusional. Yeah. Make me delusional. Me I run for the marathon of delusionalist. Me I run it down. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing. Me don't want to come in my inbox with my man. Me don't want to tell me nothing. Me don't ask no girl no opinion. I told you you can't burn your life a fast eat and bomb. I tell you that already. Don't it?
Beat me like me war with the girl tickers.
Where you war with the girl for?
Me little man. It's like them want a war with the
but where you have a war with the girl for?
One girl. And you did dominate the girl until you drop.
I keep me being dropping. Then I drop one time.
Bro, about 10 seconds and a 5 final.
Chop. You don't need for the shit more than party.
Me not live a party, me a party. Me not, and the whole, me not even say nothing, bro. You see it? See some man attack. Sometimes say, you see some enough of them when attack like them tough. Some more kids, some of them body go there for me and I'm in nozzle and take them picture, you see. Run up in them mud. Like a joke. Where you say that?
Come. At 12 o'clock at lunchtime.
So you now go get something to eat?
No, me don't want the fries.
So where you go eat?
12 o'clock my weapon.
Oh.
I'm super
think they are done still, no?
What?
They're right.
No, them have some up to
Remember say the plate don't so what me when them island sitting on the line down the side, you know.
Them have
island food.
You never go down there yesterday?
No.
Oh, when I eat that. Them the food that later night food you can't do better.
Yeah, you best stay apart do it. Right show. I can't do that.
I'm gonna trouble Candice. Candice, my son come here up the mission. One boo. You don't leave my man alone. You don't leave my man alone. What do you put at name come rub it? Left him. So I don't want one blood clot. Take off my drop on my foot. Candice. Yes, so I'm a rub my foot. Come in at the body for rub it. Leave me and the boy alone and not take no said pan my man. Cause all I want to say I'm a delusional a favor dulu blood clot loo. I remember saying, all the wall on a blood clot chat say, me no know boy from a can of blood clot paint. And if my pity them get take where you find my yard and my gig, you risk your life to find my blood clot. You have to blood clot care. Maybe you risk your life to find my yard, you know. Some people look on the opposite of everything. I see on a wider view. You risk your life to come on my yard. I remember me and a friend because you block me. Come over here, come train and hit the bus and you block me. Come and I go put never take somebody too. Me they come over here, come train man at the bus. Cause that me literally do. At the time. And he blocked me. And the day when he hear the story, him call me and say, if you them gone for true.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section as I say me not talk.
I'm say yeah. Him say me the gate. Me never send call him. Where him come from? No me ask on count enough. Me never send call him. Me just see him appear. So if you and a man you know, they're on good terms and then block you off of them phone. When you block people off of them when you block people off your phone, I mean and people done, you know. And a man I got block you off of him phone. That means you and him done. And when you and him done, you admit down at the hospital, you find yourself done. You find you see him come down at the hospital, come visit, you never send call him. You care. So if I keep carrying the last part and I'm toe, me I carrying my big toe. I don't want to get dictate that to me. Me say if I keep carrying I'm looking to for me Rosealee. Them say me if I keep care for me I'm looking to me care for me and my big toe. Nothing in one with a person keep two person caring for each other. You just ask if me eat. Them just ask me eat. And the same thing you asked me yesterday. You eat me and ask me no question. One go take way out to get care though. If him care, him care. So I'm for delusional about. I'm not delusional. Anyway, when I discuss that car, whether or not, all if you no catch me and the boy a fuck. All them still will come tell me say the boy no want me. I mean not bother with that. Me feel and know me no. Me not explain to no girl. And for the for them over here about no liar is need that family court. Not too enough. Me have me liar. Me by the liar I need a family court. And I'm going to go talk. I got a lawyer. And I'm on the ocean. I go call her. I go call her. I told Jake them father. And I say, I just make things slide. Because Jake's supposed to get a gag order. You can't tell nobody pin them. Gag order. It's called a gag order. I'm supposed to get that. Allow him. Someone know what the fuck someone at about. Oh, she don't have a lawyer, don't need a lawyer, blah 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 blah. Me not wanna put us cause of the attack. If you just want to talk, me talk. You know something I mentioned about my opinion them? I was warned by the court and I was double warned by my lawyer. We don't want to know too much things about blood clot girl and them business. I'm tell you no, I'm me selling the story. When you want to listen to a liar friend, go on. Story about me and me selling it. When you want to know something about me, ask me. Yeah. You know see me, my man down in the lobby. I play me upload Akeem. And I give him something to eat. I wrap me around put him. And the say, stay. All along. When me the life, you know what? Do these things we want to do. Yes, so. I will bust out in a laugh. See Khandy stay? She don't leave my side. I pay a joke. Khandy. Yeah, go on. A pitch to white man. Gallop! Do what me here. Me and Kenny's a room from the other day. Cause me nice in a real life. I ramp me and him down there ramp. And I say blood clad. You never want give me for eat. You never want. So son out there no girl. So I thought there no. You never want bird feed me pan my life, but you want come yes I mean I laugh it off. And then I insist I fuck me there, fuck around him. Can't play me anymore automatically play, cause I him like play. I him like play. So I rap me there and put him some no wall I wanna come talk about and the man no want ogre. What is wrong with you know? And the man no want ogre upon him like play. I rap me there and put him. I rap me there ramp. It's a play. So whether or not if him take it or not, me would feel no way. I rap me and the little there ramp. You know see the wood forward there that's not gonna laugh. One to the rest of screen a card with it there. Who the on the live knows a ramp put it there ramp. But tune enough. That's why I can't like something. That's why I don't come over here for when I'm begging time. You know, I don't come over like come over for explain nothing to you. I get me, it trigger me. Who the on the live, so long I watch the live say I ramp me and the boy a ramp. I play, we a play. She fool, let's see. She a try bird female and don't want to take it. Something wrong with a girl. I ramp me and the a ramp. I play me and the a play. Mr. Watch a style. Come now. I ramp me there ramp. Me have playful ways in me. And every day is like this. Ask Candice. Me have a lot of playful ways in me. Me like play and excitement and laugh. Just for the fun and joke it. When you think me and Diamonds have a band. Where think me and figure it out of a band? Where think me and tot off it over the years of a blood clot band? Me play. Me like play. Me's a playful person. Life not me not and everything in life me take detrimental. Me play too. I ramp me and the ramp. Whenever so when them cool tea and feed me, when you look see all type of something. I want to read on man, no one man. Alright, if you don't want me, I not the problem. I tell already me want him. I'm going to come over, I'm going to tell him this already. I'm going to come over here and talk about general blood clot statement. Tap right the boy name. Cause me will forever be in him corner and him will forever be in our minds. Cause that's what the thing set. We can't mash up this. Because when me vex with when him vex with when me vex with him come chat to me. And when him vex with me go chat to him. Yeah, because we are big people. We know we'll go to 40, 50, 60, 38 minutes. We will cuss our eye, we calm down no one. You can call Akim at any time and get him phone. Never call him for days and not get him phone weeks and months. Call him anytime. When me vex with him, come friend me up back. I will part time me vex with him and him come friend me up back. So if him vex with me, I go friend him, automatically friend him up back. Leave me alone. I never want to worry. What not worry about? I two things you can't burn a life. You know what? Candice! But the 12 o'clock girl up. Then I'm gonna get the blood clot food. From 12 o'clock friend. Help on 12 to get the food. Not for true. Let me want some. Oh! And I want them cook food soup today. Hey, Khandy?
Yeah, over the restaurant.
Last night. I never the curry good. The bad last night, you know. I had it. How me used to the stew peas? I know the stew peas today. And fish today. You know, I'm gonna try soup blood clot. Shit! That tastes good? They wait till 12 o'clock. I keep the wall going on the burger plate. I can't take the burger. You know what I mean? Go take me enough. Me say me go take me enough so one night and take the burger, bite it. I'm gonna take one piece of the cheesecake and carry it up here candies. And there was my film was say me and them piece of cheesecake. Tile it. Tile it. Everything say blood clot. After me there me a shit more than that. It reach out too? Yeah? And I'm like, boy, you can't yam and just walk on the plate. You're nice. You're nice. One day you can't yam and just walk on the blood clad plate. You're nice for true. No, 12 o'clock. Now we're upon 10:50. By the time I walk around the road at 10 minutes, because I know that journey is so long. Yeah, for true, I go eat my dinner. And candies. When we go for last night, candies. And the two thinking girl them.
Already, man. Already.
Me know you don't have. Me know you don't have. So we have to play a pool, you know. Candies take out the car park out this stuff for me. We have to start down at shizzle. Let's start down at shizzle. In the black bag. Yeah, Mr. Candice want to be a story last night. You get them call me big back. And I walk and tease me. I made them a peer Tory. What kind of a peer Tory? Taurus. And the people that panic and say the girl, I'm in a trouble. It's blood clot girl, you know. And all my foota at me.
Girl, them didn't say it dance. Girl, them didn't say them must see a plan. Them a wait for you.
Yeah, them say them a wait for me to beat me last night. That security of escort me. The stinking security man no. Who reach down there so. After want to throw me for the compound, you know. I'm not trouble girl, you know. I get a trouble me and defame me say they want to throw me for the compound. You look at that nasty man, no. When I reach downstairs, so I say now follow me go upstairs. No. I say, hey, look here now. Oi, sir, you're not gonna tell a lie on me. You're gonna follow me on my room door. So the girl I'm attack me, I can't see that there for blood clot. No. Him come up here with me. Mr. Pay like them tell pan people, you know.
Same time when they called me last night.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, and I think fuck off. They didn't see me down here, so Rosealee. So my hand still go over my head, a drone. It's a drone. Yeah, look how long me down there, so. All them something me remember forget up, you know. So if you know what I know, you need me. Need me. Need me, man. Need me. Because fat people talk yagi. And yes, so you keep what argument girl in the face. Then what are you and come round? What time? At that me want to know. You didn't even pinch the bitch. When me think you'll get some wham, cause your hand can't go round. There is no go round and come back. You don't know this. You don't know if you take nothing from your shoulder. You don't know that. So you have to go bam, 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 bam. When you do this, so then you know you're lazy. And what are you gonna get for come round? The girl push your hand take long for come round. The girl grab you and kill your head. By the time I look at the tone of the ground. Please. Oh, I see you. You like to stop people blood. You hurt them some. All you have squeeze me, say no rules, and I'm not lie. We just start what that which one of the batty hole and jakes name out. Come here, cause you not lick me. You give me ample time to think about your stories. Huh? Me tell people say she a Yokozuna. Me tell her bam bam big and low. Me tell people about them that believe me. Then Rosealee, you make the girl drop you. After you eat so much plate and real, so much hot stale food, you really make the girl drop you. So me know say real food them come with helium, you know. Real food them come with helium. None of them not come with no black steel and cement. It not settle in your man. Because the girl push you back and you alone, me say I go back with the whole heap of weight where you have. You have so much weight, you're not charging. Yeah, you don't know if make your face on. Remember you're not cute. If you had said to the girl, say, me trouble, yo! Yeah! I'm not charging the whole of your run. But now use your weight. See your talent there. You're fat. See your talent there now. You're fat. You see it? You're fat at your talent, you know. And you dash it, man. Hmm? You not even get up and say you go up a beard. You not even get up in a fight and dust her. And see you film there, what the? And when they have the buffet lock. When they can get a burger, you know, they're dying. Are you just done fight? Did nobody not see her? She sit on the ground. Like she did carry man go down there for lift her up. That's so she look. From the child stretch for her purse. She sit down so. Eh? Get up! Suppose you didn't have another round for going to me and your par. Then Rosealee supposed to leave me and your par. And me a beat the next one. Eh? And then fear friend, now you fight fear friend. Then that's why you make a friend come to me in my back. Eh? Can you see me over there say work and I get done with it? I not even get up and grab her so she not come lick me, so I'm going to work that one here. Now Jesus, wait them a friend. Me I go for that here. Me I go for your friend. Sure. The girl never headlock her. Don't say that. The girl never headlock her. The girl did not headlock Rosealee. Wanna like add to the fight too much and no found never did it. Wanna chat too much, the girl never headlock her. What the girl did is lock her chin. You know what is headlock? You know what is headlock? Terry and you come from a program and not chat shit. You know what is headlock? Headlock I went and them happy and I eat your neck so. You never know that.
As we say, my people, I don't talk too much, make me know what to think.
No,
We can watch some more.
Tyrion, bitch, you see Rosealee with neck? So you feel a little bit bigger, which is sin. I would rather feel a little bit heavier. And we can't take no more bigness. Then you can imagine. Cause the girl give Rosealee some licking and face Rosealee like a Jake Sharpie. You see, this is the thing when me tell you, Rosealee, put down your hands if you're not going to use them. You know, say when the girl lick you, you come some. Hey, you're winning our jiffy. Why we don't use up the layers of our bodies? Hmm? You have the whole of the armor. Roll your soul. Oh, your eyes swell now. Oh, your eyes swell. Why you never shield your face with you? Me say, all of the girls come for me, just some me are going for now. Bah, bah, bah. You don't know me. I use every element in fight. Zinc, dawg, every element I use to war. Defenders of the earth, I use earthly stuff. Hmm? You never see it. But no. Now everybody I laugh, Papa, you're the only one. Why this girl? I'm not girl, this one. Is a boy. Every morning you send me to see it every day. If me not put him on time out and send me right through the day. And him look nice and so nice, you know. What's up, my brother? I feel a little bit weird though, now. I feel a little bit weird, I'm telling that. You know? I feel a little bit weird. God knows. I was so mean. But I show me this goes by me, like, every morning him saying, you know, every morning for sure. I feel a little bit weird. God believe me. I remember impulse get the best of me. I didn't know some of the impulse there and I listened to Rosealee last night, you know. Then Rosealee really want to go up in the girl face for a black eye and a push down and a dry head. Rosealee, me nah like your chin supposed to tie to all the girl at the head, so your chin supposed to tie. I say bet your chin get abs. Say bet we see abs 6 pack in your chin this morning. Cause the girl have your head a rocklet, you know. Me don't know where Diamond did there. My sister out to leave Rosealee. You know, since food make Rosealee get there. Jesus. Everybody will slim down home. Everybody will go on the tour that is slim, gone home. Is food make Rosealee get beaten up. Rosealee decide to eat the
Keep them nothing make that happen. Rose nothing reach up there so near we know if we fight nothing, brother. Rose nothing reach there so move it with Rose bad man because you know already, brother say. Enough people now into Rose and enough people like Rose.
Then again, Akim can't talk to Rose, bro. Akim can't talk to Rose, bro. You know that? Akim can't talk to Rose.
That means say
My
that,
Rose.
brother, you feel like I said.
No, how much time is Akim try to talk to Rose?
No cure or Rose big and steel. No feel like I said me did it so Rose can't fight, brother. Can't fight.
Landlord, me know him, bro. That's you, bro. Remember say, bro. Listen, bro. Let me say this, bro. No, remember say Akim more soft. Remember say you're rough for you for Akim in the dog.
What do you mean by soft? What do you mean by soft? Tell me what you mean by soft.
Just listen to me, bro. Remember say you're rough for you for Akim in the dog. Bro, remember say Akim, bro, listen to them, bro. Remember say Rose wild and rough in the dog. If Akim say Rose big, no bother with that. Akim can't talk to Rose, bro.
Brother, I feel like I said, I feel like right there start talking for you go on. No. Talking for you go on there, so brother. Push away Rose, walk away with Rose, brother. And whosoever Rose make them girl they know, so brother, no calm down. Move away with Rose. You hear me? I am man. Oh, I'm here, brother. I am man in
That's true. That's true. But me tell you, say, and everybody love jam and everybody love that, brother. And everybody can take. And everybody can take pressure, bro.
Here when it started.
See there? See people say never there. People say never there, you know. People say when it started never there. They must say come on and see what go on.
But first of all, brother, why? First of all, if they, brother, you know, matter bad man, bro, the greatest thing, brother, and somebody go somewhere, you know, if you are protect, you know one another. And that's how you go.
That's true.
That's how you go.
That's true. Me can't talk to your ear, cause even the same incident on the diamond party, I mean, I say my brother, done. I say Zuma, I hold it. I just feel like prove, bro. Cause you have a whole thing you can prove. I'm gonna say my brother, done, and you hold it, bro. Me can't talk to your ear, you can't talk to me on my ear, bro. It's all based on the communication. I can't talk to you on ear, bro. Yeah, my brother, I'm gonna say Lando, I see that, Lando, done, my bro. I say, alright, my bro, I'm done.
I'm just say,
I ain't prove me that.
no talking no for go on there so. You forward there so no talking no for the go on there so. What kind of talking you talk about, brother? Even if brother, alright. Who the roll with Rose was there since then say Akim never did it?
And that's a question if I've been up to ask, bro. Who the roll with that?
Go somewhere. If me and Rose go somewhere, me could no matter what, me not make Rose alone go down in our way saver and out. If me by himself or whatsoever, bro, I protect me did for protect. Cause me go share in case it you know people stay with Rose, bro. Me not make Rose left my side go no way. You understand? I protect them if I protect Rose, but me go show you a thing, but man, me not care no that, me just talk, you know. That's it, yo. You see, I be a bumbuckler pretend thing I go on here. That's it, yo. And Rose see no thing. You see, so then Rose see no say they're not really in a bumbuckler thing, brother. You hear me? I tell you, me a mad, yo. Me no want no man tell me nothing, brother. You hear me? I tell you, I protect them if I protect Rose. That no fear happen. I want to you.
that nothing happen. Make your left from evil place come see Rosa fight. That nothing happen. I want to you. That nothing happen, brother. Okay, me not care when that nothing happen no time at all. And we are Rosa par. I want to you. A true the thing is that, bro, they not really want for their own Rose, brother. I just true this a go on, brother.
My people, tell me what you think in the comments. We are watching more.
Protect Rose, brother. Rose are nobody no fear fight, bro.
So Akim, if Akim, aim out Akim. Lando, if you can see that bad bro, so I'm to Rose eye them. If somebody don't respect
woman, brother,
Lando,
woman don't
if me don't respect you, come around me.
Brother, because the woman tired of this one bag of fucking girl just taking set. I set them a take on the woman. And I like say them a video Rose genuinely, bro.
I know.
You know say I Rose that.
Brother.
Zuma.
Brother, and every action need a reaction. Brother.
Zuma. They not video Rose because they know say a Rose that and we love Rose. They not gives Rose a genuine video. When time I go out in a road and people turn on camera for me Zuma, me know when time is genuine Zuma. That bro, them a trouble the woman find idea. They now video woman fi know say a Rose that alright then me video. Brother, no woman not grown and see no bumbo clad. People with them on TikTok and have phone on them so you all fucking.
Understand what I say, bro?
Nobody on TikTok can do that.
Bro, make a left with this, brother.
Nobody on TikTok, nah see nobody, no TikToker and just a video them whole fucking day so like either. Just a video you and they trouble your cross. No Zuma. No woman or no man on TikTok nah do that. Me can't tell you that Zuma. See what? That means
that's true. But listen, Lando, listen to me. I left you one something, bro. That's true, bro. That's a facts. I left you one something. And every action need a reaction, bro. And every action need a reaction, bro. You can be the bigger one. You know what? All right. Them don't listen to video, bro. And them go on, bro. They are so. Them, bro, all of them are video. If me feel uncomfortable in the place, bro. My dig, brother. My cut, diamond. Listen to me now. I feel good as a people video. Make my career. Me cut. Sometimes I have to walk away from some small problem, bro. Because listen to me, bro. And it's not, bro. Sometimes it's great, bro. We send the water from problem. And you're the bigger one now. You're winning, bro. And every action need a reaction, bro. People don't listen to video. I make my career, bro. My cut, my dig, my slide. Me not feel comfortable. This is a leader. To me, people myself in trouble. Or somebody earning me or somebody. Me gone, brother. Me gone. And if the action need a reaction, you can be the bigger one, bro, and cut. I wish why you're there. If you don't feel comfortable, brother.
Zuma. Any day match. Pick yourself everywhere you go, people will say something to you. Right? The reason why you feel comfortable with the Zuma because I know one set of man does come there and a trouble Zuma. They say if when people, everybody does in a fucking place, they say, alright, Rosealee, this and that would have different. But it's just one set of girl just coming to you, brother, and just a trouble you constantly, a trouble you. You're not gonna like that, bro.
That's true. That's true.
Remember in a Zuma, yeah, they have football match Zuma. Then everybody there in a one place. As they see you, and come over here, so every minute, come over here, so turn on the camera. You know,
brother. My bro, listen to me, I said to you. You is a public figure. It come with one whole thing. It come with trolling. It come with mocking. It come with this. It come with that. You're a public figure. People go see you on video and mock you. You're not at all. You're a public figure. Understand, Orlando? You're a public figure, bro. You're a public figure. People go click them camera. Once them see you, they go video. You're a public figure that
Zuma. Nobody in this fucking world, not even on TikTok. Now go sit on TikTok and come every minute with their phone like they're mad. Oh, Orlando this, you're gone, you come back. Orlando this, what fucking day, so who go do that? That is brother at bully them a bully Rose. Zuma, nobody never did. Listen, Zuma, nobody never did a fucking match a bully you, Zuma. Nobody never did a match a bully you, Zuma.
Alright, come here, bro.
Zuma, answer me, Zuma. Nobody never did a football match a bully you, Zuma.
Matching and bully, you know.
Zuma. Alright, Zuma, did I say to you, 1, 3, 4 man come to you every minute? Zuma and your mother. Them the 4 specific man, they come to you, and no 4 specific man no come to you every minute, Zuma. Answer me.
No?
Okay, thank
Everyone
you.
me turn on the match, bro.
Thank you.
But everyone me turn on the match, bro.
Zuma, that is a different situation, Zuma. Zuma, you say everywhere you turn in a match, Zuma. Zuma, 4 specific man never in a crowd, Zuma, turn on camera on you every minute, Zuma. You say everywhere. So, alright, if Rose, when they go everywhere in a hotel and people have video Rose, that would be different, brother. But it's just one group of girls, brother, every minute, bro.
What am I going to say to Orlando? I'm going to say something. I'm going to send this out. Orlando, who the hell tell me a 2 months? What me a 2 months with?
Bro, cause you not understand me.
I understand what you say, bro. What me a 2 months with, bro? Look, boy. Orlando, I'm respected to the max, bro. You're my brother, bro. I'm not get no love for nobody, bro. I'm respect you. Big up yourself, bro. I tell you, my brother. You know my dog?
Yeah, man.
Bro, love.
Yeah.
Love, my bro.
Zuma no like Rose, dog. He man no like Rose. I see it, bro. You have to talk with understanding, brother. You see me? Yeah, they say everybody in a one match. Everywhere you go, people go they say something to you. Yes, people go they say something to you, but it's not one another like say one specific 5 nigga in a match. Every minute we see Zuma, we gone over Zuma gone turn on camera upon him. It's not like that, bro. I don't like that, Zuma. Just talk with understanding, brother. You damn alright. Even if I say Rose when they're hotel, you know, say some bag of people see Rose, every many things go around there, so people are say Rose. That would be different. But it's just some specific girl, brother. Go just see every minute. No woman on TikTok nah go like that, bro. No woman on TikTok nah go like that, bad man. But you have to just talk with understanding. And like some come here so and I tell you say me I pick up for Rose and me. No bro, me say if Rose wrong. If a girl them right, then if a girl them wrong, then wrong. From morning I hit me there, so you come here so tell me everything when me see already, brother. Me now come here so tell you just come here so tell me say Rose wrong. Me and you never did it for we know say Rose if a Rose right or she right, or a Rose wrong or she wrong. Me and you never did it for we can't tell the people them say Rose wrong. And me now go come tell us say girl them right or them wrong. We never did it, brother. Me just see one little clippings, brother, when time Rose reach up in her girl face and something, brother. That's all me see, bad man. Me never, bro, not because true me come here so
Look on her, watch it. If she a pass and people on their phone, she a ball out, no phone. I saw she a behave.
Yeah, like she a somebody. I like she a somebody.
But the fact say we never trouble her at that. We not trouble her. So anything she get, she take it because we never trouble her. If the hotel man never run the footage, me sit down, see him when I'm waiting. She joke me on my face about 4 times because I know say Rosealee now go get me. So me make enough evidence did it fin joke me on my face. I wait on the talk about she should have bought something more. So I can go sir?
Exactly.
You go for breakfast? Me go for breakfast, of course. I say Rosealee can't hold meals, so I'm going to joke me in my face. No.
And she attack her first chat. The video, if you don't see the video, she walk over to her and point up in her face. The girl was sitting down. And she troubled her first.
Sitting down, of course. I like chain pop off when we have the King Savage chain or whatever, the big old chain that she have on her neck.
You have pop her chain too? Jesus.
Yeah.
I tell you, say you do God's work. May the Lord continue to bless and keep you. You deserve it, honey. Beat up.
You know, so somebody me always say, alright, me always sorry for her, especially when they take care of Pitney. And we say she not even know who are fans. She just accost everybody.
Because she insecure. She insecure because you see her real face. She insecure because you see her real face. Me not like Gally. You bad. Me have to follow you. Me have to give you a follow. Me have to follow your page.
Rose turn off. Rose turn off. I think me dead.
Yes, I think a 600 pound of weight, that's enough. She frozen.
Me done roll him off, my friend.
Listen, she frozen or she smell good. She frozen. The girl frozen.
I couldn't tell because I focus.
Oh. If you ask the next friend if she did frozen, and that we want to know if she did frozen. She probably smell like she smell frozen.
Me not show the chain to me Richard in here. Me yeah got nobody that take it from me if I would tell.
So Akeem chat.
Akeem
stand up and make him boo get beat up. You can't believe that? Your man fi stand up and make woman beat you up. Yo, how your man?
You know what fat people trick is when them a fight, they want to push you down to drop on you. Me, I will not depend me to get licking your head and your face. Don't hurt me. I just me a calm.
The man ate her bad.
So now I have breakfast.
Alright, gonna have breakfast, girl. You're supposed to eat up everything. You deserve everything. You deserve everything.
Which we always see her at breakfast, so I don't think she go come out or what.
If she come out, take one picture, send to me here, girlie. Come in my inbox. Make you see her. Alright. Big up yourself, alright? Big up yourself.
Bye.
Bye. The girl said she not take off her pink outfit because she want him to see her. A bad girl that in a chat? A bad girl that. The girl said she not take off her pink outfit. Chat, you not see the video? Tracy, why you have to go to work today? Chat, me say me know God wake me up for a reason this morning, you know. Go call early me come live. God wake me up for a reason this morning. No, sir. Guys, how them people are not putting on my box? Don't put them people on my box. Me then go somewhere else. Me then go click their own live. Take them off on my box. Me don't know them. Don't know me like stranger. Jesus have mercy. Alright, me go over IG, go send it to a couple people. Tracy, come, Tracy, come. Tracy, take our break to come over here, go and chat.
Liar, send it to Goodia.
Liar. Send me the fucking video.
Hold on. Not tell me the IG name one by one. Can
I have it funny one? The region
I see anything Tracy send me. Okay.
Yeah. So which diamond today?
You said it's a diamond shame of the girl. Diamond no one come to the girl.
Me dear.
You beat her up, you know?
No, sir.
She could have come off on the ground.
Liar, me don't want when she drop.
She could have get up.
You can imagine why hippo try to get up after them roll over.
Tracy, she couldn't get up.
Oh, she can't get up here, so she big.
Of course, hippos can't get up so quick. We have to about.
Tracy, she couldn't get up. Tracy, follow me back so me can't see me. Tracy, me just follow you. Follow me back so me can't see me.
Alright, I go from my IG now.
Hold on, me I send it to you one by one. Where the Jordy there? Hold on, just see them. Hold on, chat. Me I send it. Me I send it.
Alright guys, the video's back up, but I had to cut it.
Hold on, the chat. Me have it. Look here. I send it to you one by one.
Why this have to when me there at work?
Mr. Tracy, you never see me for live so early. Me don't know why me reach for live so early, you know? Me know.
You didn't hear me ask who you did for live so early. I get ready for work when you come on, you know.
Tracy, me don't know. Me reach over here so early. I don't know. I don't know how me reach over here so early.
Watch it on my page.
Yeah.
Down here. Because
where was our good friend?
Yeah, try.
So me eat that break with me and see me not get no good service in there. One little bar me have. Sure.
Empty, and the Lord continue to bless you abundantly. You're doing the Lord's work. but we want to hear the sound of it play with the video. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and we will.
Why you sit up on the ground, Jesus?
You can't even move.
Rose, guys, Rose, Rosealee. Rosealee, guys. You.
Where's the book? Hold on, where's the book?
Can't post on Instagram. Instagram gonna take it down too?
Me don't know. Me don't know what them on my Instagram.
Let me go post it. Y'all want Instagram? What's me Instagram? I got
What them on my Instagram? Me don't know, no.
Hold on, I'm gonna put it on my Instagram. Y'all wait. I'm gonna find my Instagram name.
All them on my Instagram, only certain people know I'm funny. Only if me recognize your name from me chat, me will send it to you. But if me not recognize your name, me not know it, me not follow you. If me recognize your name from me chat, you will get it. But if like me gonna send it to this person, no, can me recognize their name. Follow me back on the Miss Senny, Shelly. Follow me back there, Miss Senny. If me not recognize you, me not. God not sleep, man. Me say me no know how me wake up so early in the chat. Chat me no know how me wake up so early. Me wake up early, me like come on live. Even if me wake up, me would come live so early. No, sir. Yeah, I figured your man turn up there and make you get beat up. Man, turn up there and watch you get beat up. Yo, when I left my husband this morning, if my husband turn up and watch me get beat up, me I left him this morning. You crazy? He might get left. Go on the page of Suspect FYP, the video over there. Hold on the book. May I take you to the box. Guys, somebody pin K page.
The only reason why she not get up at 2, she need help to get up. She can't get up. She's flat out on the ground. Flat out on me. Can't really feed into them something because I have man problem, you know. So I don't really want to feed into them and madness. Yeah. Khandy, me never. I say every time I talk, if people then don't listen to nothing what I say. So we have all day, I could talk about it. I will wash my face first because they must have me waking up because I'm going to wash my face. Rosealee spread out like nothing egg. You know when you beat almond, when the almond them drop off a tree and dry. And you know, Rosealee look, and she go like she body say. Well, no, me have to give it to her. Shh. She stand up for herself, though. No, let's not be biased. We'll talk about it, you know. Let's not be biased. Rosealee bad girl, but she can't fight. Let's say that. Are you care so she can't fight now? Because she fighting, you know, it's just that she could win that girl. She can't fight in it, it's just that she never win that girl. But Rosealee bad for true, man. Rosealee go up in a girl face and the things them. Why the girl did that video? Yes, sometimes I got reason with Uno as somebody will have sense. But as me say, let me wash my face before I go to people business. The people them never write for video and you cannot blame people. Let's wash our face. Rock and come in. Rosealee got the people in the hotel go fight. I blame Akeem and figure it out. Well, there is so much to say. Let me wash my face. 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 Let me give my face a one wash. Wash my face, because this is too much. As I wake up, I say fart over king mix up. I'm saying, what? Rosealee? Wash my face. The dog going to go outside, you know. Wash my face. Let's start off with this. Money is the root of all evil. Let's start it off by saying that. Money is the root money is the root of all evil. And money do this thing. And we can't pick up here no more acting. You're embarrassed when you go at the show, at the hotel with Rose, you know how Rose stay, but because of money. Rosealee chuck again in her face today, you know. No, Rose bad man, Rose bad. I can't have to give it to Rose. Rose, never pick up for my co-workers, blood clot. I'll pick up for my co-workers. Rosealee have too much rice, and the rice now makes you strong. You have too much rice, Rose. You're back big but you're not strong. I mean, I know you're flat on ground, so. I could talk about it. We talk about everything going on in a line. First, I have to say money is the root of all evil. Why I say that? And money make Hakeem go back. Which, nothing wrong with that. Because everybody look money. Everybody try to get away from make money or whatever. But you see, from Rosealee, they disrespect your Hakeem and low-key shade you and some little thing. I not even say you should go back because me can't tell who to talk to. But you don't go certain place with Rosealee. Right? I can't tell you don't talk to her because you have her as a friend. That's what you have her as, a friend. But you should carry a certain place. You live and you learn. You see the embarrassment them what she used to bring when you go out loud and vulgar and whatever. Right? You should know if you keep Rosealee at Airbnb or keep her in a Mecca. And then the place of Rosealee if you go in a Mecca where music a bus and everybody loud. You don't carry Rosealee got a decent place like hotel where you have tourists did it and other nice blood clot people we are no hooligan. The first embarrassment where Rosealee give me would have make me leave. One, Rosealee, you're married to Hakeem for you want mouth feed Hakeem. You forgot that Hakeem don't want you. When me talk my bad mind, come. Let me help you, come. I go for your remote because you stay downstairs with me. When me talk my bad mind, you go to the hotel. And for sure you see you don't have no shame. All them something here where people have to use class here. It is your fault. Now tell me nobody I may go down. All them something here where people are use class here are your fault. You try feed the man with the something in your mouth. Right? Your sister him no want it. You know stop. Me shame for you through the phone when me talk them say me rent you. But thanks to the haters in advance because me rent them pay already. But let's continue. You start feed the man through with the mouth something. The man up one at the time he look like Hakeem I beg please. Him push up. You see first time him show me say him no want it. I would do it a second time. The only thing me glad say him did do and it never look no way was eat the cake way. The same cake what she did have in her mouth. Me don't know if I eat him take back and put in a fee mouth. And me I say alright then that no look so bad. Yeah drag the little boy. I remember say you big like Hulk you know. And you drag the little boy and a force him on pan you have to eat cake. Like when you married, you have to stop it, Rosealee. And then poor Dima traumatized. Dima, she traumatized for her life. Dima sit down and she figure it out just a mind for them one business. Like they don't want nobody know say we know say them come. But remember when our TikTok so the whole we know say once we see Rosa, once we see Akim, once we see Dima, we know say Dima shame. And I'm not trying to get Dima involved. I'm not trying to get her involved. I see her on the screen record and I said, boy, me a chat about Dima, but I know she know better see a lie when I tell. Hey, Rosealee, and next thing now, Rosealee, you can't stop nobody from video. There's a public figure. Who the fuck is you for things say you go around and nobody no video you? Everybody have somebody with them like. As much as how some people hate you, you go have some people, let me tell you, you see in a popular life, because we're not celebrity. We're not depend Shensia them level and Spice them level, Kartel them level. You have something called celebrity, you have something called influencers, people that are known, people that are popular. So no matter how much people hate you, you go have one. These are the type of people who go video you. People who don't like you. And then just see all your little toe push over your slippers, them all video because they want everybody to see your little toe off of the slippers. You go have one next set of people who actually fuck with you. They want picture with you. Then we come ask if you take a picture with you and video and make them friend video you. You go have some different type of people that are shy. They're afraid to come ask you for your picture. They're afraid to come ask you for your video. But they spot you and then just can't make you go so they more hide and video, but not with a bad intention. Rosealee, you get out and you're too hype. You're too pussyclot hype. The first time one lady called TNI care, you spit off of the people them. I just know I never come out come beat you because you couldn't spit off of me, you know. You spit off of the people them in off of the people them where well and them the people them in the car look like them genuinely did fuck with you. Never nobody where they try bring you down. You got a hotel, you can't stop a man from video you. You go and get that. Me got enough time and people video me. I mean I know what the intention with them a video me for. Me now say the girl them right, you know. Because the intention what me I get from with the girl them a video Rose, they not video Rose because they ain't like Rose. Them a video Rose for body shame Rose. I don't know if you blood clad go to no some dirty girl. Me sorry Rosealee have some friend for be to know. You know a dirty girl too. I want to leave the TikToker them alone. You do it to Derek too. More while you say Derek, you see the intention of videoing is not like, oh I saw Rosealee, me love you and another intention there. The intention when no video Rose have to come body shame her. Me not like Rose. But truth is the truth though. Let's be real. When truth for talk, truth for talk. Yeah, video the girl because you want body shame her. You see, me hear the girl on one screen record that talk. The girl said the only thing nice about Rose is her top. Her skirt never nice. And that's why they have video for try to show it. But you couldn't want to prove nothing to it because we know Rosealee a girl will love her pumpkin skirt. Rosealee knows that she shapes so. So I'm not wrong her for no wear shorts because her bottom look away. Why you think I don't wear skirts? I recently me I build confidence for wear skirt. This make me not wear skirt and certain type of short dress. Me calf them tough. So me not wear certain type of dress and certain type of shorts because you see the calf them turn up around there. So me understand why Rose wear a little pumpkin skirt so nobody can see the little flat body around there. I want to video the girl with the intention for people can laugh off her at the place. But you never know. A long time I hear Rose I say why them two girls have video me, you know. Me I see on one screen record before the fight even start. Rosealee said two bitch I walk her down every minute and a video and she don't know whatever. And me hear she said bitch what the dirty girl what you have video me for? That before the fight even for happen. Bitch what not video me for? So you actually walk down the woman for video her. Another thing now. Me have to taste it, it's a Jamaican thing. So if anything happened to me before it happened to you, can you not say I got prison as American citizen? Yes. Now, as I say, Rosealee, you can't stop people from video you. And you cannot walk across everybody with video you. And the people they need to stop video in a one bad intention way. Alright, it come to the point. Me don't know where how it come to when them catch up for fight, cause me never see how it start. Me only can talk about the clips them when me see. It boy Rosealee a bad girl still, you know. We can't take that from you. I have to pick up for my co-workers them. Not because my co-workers them, but truth is the truth. You see, if me see a girl on a video, and me talk about Rosealee first before me go on the next girl. If me see Rosealee on the video, before the fight starts, stand up in a one girl face. And I say, me know ya, bitch. She not back down. And she walk up in the girl face with one. I think I want knife Rosealee have. I said, Jesus Christ, look like I want purse she have in her hand. And she walk up. You know some people with that video and then the girl them look like them have them friend. So that's why I made that say at least Rosealee have a look brave up because let me tell you something. You just stay behind the phone and blood clot chat. If you go somewhere and you alone smaddy a video and you see the girl them a fear of entourage, a friend them and some other people, some girl are afraid to walk up. When you now walk up because you don't know if the girl them will gang you. Worse, the girl and her friend them did that video Rose. I girl them did that video Rose. No people are saying, me not going to come in and know if the girl and her friend them would have gang me. So the fact that Rosealee can stand up in the girl face while one friend have video, the other friend them beside that the one where Rosealee up in her face with, and then some look a man where they run them. Enough girl would afraid that Rosealee go up in her girl face, but Rosealee weak. And the girl not afraid of Rosealee neither. No, that not bad. Mecca did me. You know bad? Alright. Mecca did me go to one hotel and 3 girls there. And one of them come up in my face. And me not say nothing. Yo, that yes, I'm afraid. Go suck out to no mama. Go suck out your mother. Mecca did blood clap me and girl in my face and me never do nothing. Yo, that yes, I'm afraid. Go suck out your mama. Go give what due to Caesar. The girl bad because Rosealee pint up in the girl face. She pint up in the girl face and said, me know you bitch. Me know you bitch. And she never blood clot back down. Despite how much girl wanted it. But as me said, the girl bad too. Because boy with Rosealee, wait, I'm going to run well for Rosealee, honestly. Because Rosealee no get a chance to sit down for me, you know. Rosealee no get a chance to sit down for me. Rosealee no get a chance to sit down for me. So I probably would have walked with Rosealee. But the girl back up in a Rosealee. You know what I'm saying? And the girl first lick Rosealee in her face. Because Rosealee a pint up. Rosealee, you're not bad to Rosealee. You're fool. You're fucking fool. You're fucking fool. Never you in a girl face and wait on a girl to lick you. As much as probably you not gonna win. Lick the girl first and then on the tumble down. So guess what go on now? You see if the internet they see a girl a blood clot lick in her face. The people them wouldn't even talk about the facts you drop a ground. You see that box there where you gear and that alone that make you win. So it no matter if you drop a ground, because we know you're waiting, you know, you have to drop a ground. You couldn't stand up for the whole day, you know, straight. You have like a weight. So you would have to reach ground. By the hook or the crook, you have to reach ground. So we understand. But would have still hype you up with the facts and boy, you lick a girl in her blood clot face. You make the slimmers lick you first. You make the slimmers lick you first in your face. It wanna pull ear until you tumble down the ground. One point, it looked like Rosealee did over the girl. Because Rosealee, every girl can't move. Rosealee over the girl. Then the girl get back a hold of Rosealee and dip on Rosealee and beat Rosealee when it come to the end. She go back on Rosealee for true. Then the man them look like them part it and take up slimmers. Akim come get up. Akim, you're next one. Oh, you know Rosealee can't get up. Why never take her up? Why never? Rosealee see the Rosealee want to get up and can't get up. Rosealee wait, you need for all Rosealee cannot go. Rosealee will get up. Remember say Rosealee thick so you know. So all Rosealee go manage to go. Imagine Rosealee for go over so now she go drop. Remember Rosealee so if Rosealee for go she go drop. And she can't go back so she go drop. So you need for all her and take her up. Rosealee, me sorry. You're brave for going at the girl face, but the girl beat you. But I'm not caring about what I say. Moving forward now. Akeem, you were there. I tell you what me give you wrong for. Yeah, my brother, I love you. But I tell you what me give you wrong for. It no matter what you and Rosealee go through during the little time we want to go through. You know, I want to stop deal. You see the facts that I want to start deal back. and you make sure they're at the hotel, you should have never make it reach that far. Because as much as me know you know want Rosealee, no. Me know you know, but Akim just can't pretend. That's the thing, you can't force him to pretend. Because me and Rosealee did it, a girl could never come close to Rosealee. She could have right up. Even though it looked like a Rosealee first go in her girl face. Because a Rosealee first go in her girl face, you know. Because the girl sit down and Rosealee walk up to her. And when the girl sees a Rosealee come up in her face, she put on her things them and stand up. But Akim that was there, from the moment you see Rosealee walk into point, you should have actually, you know Rose, you can make Rosealee get soft and calm. I hear Rosealee calmness. You is Rosealee calmness. Come here. Let me look you back. Never like the fake coffee now. You know say you can't calm Rose. I mean no, you could have done that far from Rose at the time. Them say figure it out and Diamond never did it. Akim did it. Akim should have pulled away Rose. I'm not talking. Come out of people business. Akim should have pulled away Rose when him sister Rosa go up in the girl's face. It should have make Rosealee fight. I'm just saying. You bring her to the hotel, and her start par now. So you have to look out for who you are par with. It's just my opinion that. And if you're not like people business make you choke because you want in night, come give me some love. Come here, pause. Tell them I. Alright, go on now. Tap push down the back.
I did there, I want to try that. You know the half run away. Because I now ask, Shorty a tear run up down there. Any of Shorty did there. You know the half run away from the hotel. Don't you know if you're frightened, you know? Wanna know who you're frightened? Don't you know who you're frightened, bro? Remember me telling you that. Comment section and laugh. Bad to bad, on a troll up on a regular, bro. I wanna laugh and enjoy myself. But come on, I fight that charging. Not joke none of that, my friend. Not joke none of that, bro. Bad to bad, I give you beating every single day and we just there. I know it's a side ball game, go. But when shit gets so real, bro, at them time they don't have to talk to no fucker and cut the crap. I know say you a fucker that. You see me? As me start my life, when I come on my life with a bag of shit, bro, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, me a split justice. Me know is a girl, Rose is a woman, her mouth bad. She not take talk. You see me, and me talk to her feet. Me say, sis, don't pay people no mind, especially when y'all wanna walk, me know you're feisty. You understand? It's a girl where if people are like heal her 1 and 2 times and she not in a bad mood. Come, me not have time for that. Me talk to her, me say, sis, you see if you're not in a one good mood, not answer people none tall. Now open your mouth. Bumbo club, man. It ain't enough for reach right to say, you know. Sometimes you have to just listen in a Rose. And see say people real and have your back in a girl. Sometimes you have to just listen, man. Bumbo club, bro. And I can't talk to you, I can't tell you the truth. It don't make sense with your friend. Me I be honest with you, my sister. You're not in a good mood, man, and people. You just go on, man, sis. Nothing wrong for just go on more while. You see what I say? Just keep your mouth silent and continue your day. John, no, man. always did there, and I beg people, yo, when I see with her, I choose to go through a lot, but not every time I can always pick up for your sis. Come here and talk to you as a person who really respect you and love you. But not every time I can pick up for you, man, my sister. You see me? Every time something go on, me I first man for click my live. Yo, watch you now, see with her, man. I saw you go. Rare, but not every time I can pick up for your sis. You have to listen to people who love you and people who want to see the best for you. You have to listen sometime, man, my sister. Because we don't mean anybody, you know. And any of me did there last night that could go on, neither you could even get the chance for what going on nobody's face. Because from me see you go over there, me and stop you and draw you when you say come. You know that already. You couldn't even get the chances, because I would allow you to go over there, go even do that. I know I provoke, she provoke, bro. People always a provoker, but just walk with a man. I know your face there, you're not ram to tell people your mind, but just walk with my sister, man. Hold on, beg you. No, a cup full, man. I share you, man, being to you, bro. You know what about me most, and I know it's a rose stand, and I know a rose face thing. In a season, out of season. When they say rose at town, I just go and about the business. Not follow up rose for. I don't know it's also rose tape on the internet and in person. She just naturally face it. Stop following her up. You see me? Like when I just see her and hate her and just want to prove a point. One did her with her phone camera and the next one did her fight. I want to know. Wanna do and get a clout and want to get a piece of hype out of it too. And you know the worst thing? You see the mood when I left her in her last night, she never did answer nobody. So I not ask. I trouble her. No more than she been a walk and a mind her own business and then just constantly a nag. I mean I like when people are not me neither, you know. I want me see a video make me hear she say, what you trouble me for? What you nag her for? So it's like when I just, yeah man, you grab the phone, make me trouble her. Once you follow the door off it, me say me should have did it. Me say me sorry me never did it. Me sorry me never did it, bro. Me should have did it. I should have dare. I should have dare. Cause bad to bad sometimes she listening, and sometimes I say sis no follow people, just bill man. And she just say, alright my brother, and she bill. So I know I know nag her and not trouble her. Cause she not go just see you and this, all she for this and she don't know you. She not go do that. Anyhow me they did it. The fight nor that video they could have happened. And could get the chance to even put on one pan her. And she couldn't even get for walk go over there. Come out and say Rose come go on here room. It could have happened. Same time, I said, damn, how the blood clot this? When all of that happened in that space of time, that was last night, you know, come left down the bower, 12 o'clock, and there upon the live look a bit, till me see the phone I did, me tell the people, them say, yo, what you know, me I go all asleep. Bro, I'm vexed, dog. I swear me vexed about the situation, bro. Because if you understand, say, Rosie are influencer, them think they can't reach a man, sis. Them think they no fear reach a man. Moderator, just dash them people and block them people in the comment section for me, yeah? Please and thank you. And good morning to you ladies them on the live. Good morning to everybody with there. Hope you have a nice day, you see? Black name. Black DJ. I call the name them one for black. Moderator, as them say the wrong thing, just block them. Whether badge or not. As them say the wrong thing, block them. Your batch could have the 30 or 40, I really don't care. Block them. Morning, my team. Happy holidays in a chat. I think to the holidays, man, I lie. I stay with her for the whole day. I don't go down her room, go link her. Yeah, man, she good, man. She good, man. The greatest thing, Akeem did there for party. You see me, she not no scratch, she not no cut, she not no bruise. You see it? She good, man. Respect for the few I want to actually care, you know, I appreciate it there. In a real life. I don't remember a holiday, but I think them said to the holiday if me not lie. Yeah, man, she alright, man. Respect for a few people, them come in, come show them genuine concern and a check. You see me? I appreciate it, you know.
Family, I'm know where your bumbo clot family pussy. You know, sister, no love bumbo clot dark room. Bumbo wall, you meet the right blood clot girl. Tunnel for tunnel. The right blood clot girl you meet girl. Tunnel to tunnel near your blood clot go. Go suck your mother liar. You can't send blood clot girl for me. You know me pussy. You can't send girl for my pussy. Yeah, boy, you put blood clot, broke girl. I'm money do this. Remember me tomorrow tell you that bumbo clot. Money do this pussy. Don't feel it, don't feel like. I run up and Rosealee for take out some more bumbo clot money and show you what money can blood clot do. And stop sharing phone up on the app and roll out a piece of the savings and show you what money can bumbo clot do. I feel like people are idiot on this. Any links, those who want can't get that mama. Them go suck them mother pan this. Yes, it's all you fuck out the real blood clot one. It's all you fuck out the real blood clot Jamaican Barbie pussy. Find me no drunk cock you mirror on me. Make I get for split your blood clot tongue on your throat. Cause when I send boy for me and me a split on a blood clot tongue in a throat. Suck your mother dirty girl. Who you man?
I feel like the Jamaica TikTok, you then soon ban this shit, you know. You see me, I get more than serious. This is no longer no game. This is now some life threatening.
That me a talk about.
Police
This me a talk about.
Every pan this shit. Wait up.
This me a talk about. Them a take the thing off of the app.
Yeah,
people are gonna get bumbo clot.
I'm confused. Why the girls are still at the hotel? Why?
The TikTok your blood clot. Hold on the chat. The TikTok your blood clot. Me saw big woman a cash out over Rose. Nothing. Only not have nothing for do. No pussy. We are boss over here.
No bumbo one. No dirty.
We don't have nothing to do. Okay.
Fuck your mother. Hold on the chat. Tamara the pan screen record already. Already blood clot this. I will put pan screen record chat. Come in at the box. Tamara the pan screen record already.
Tamara, you know, say once a that go on, cause them know, cause see there, almost 1,000 of them over blood clot. But they don't care, they can't screen record it. Them a take every blood clot thing off of the app. Everything a come off of the blood clot app and not just words, no blood clot more. Because the girl have her two penny them for live for. I want no bumbo clot upset. Me want to know I want to upset about. Want to mad about. Want to vex about. Want to vex about. So much. When I take it I'm silent. Send a request, silent. Silent, send a request, sister. I can't find my boo. I'm not go down the stairs to my glasses.
Me no crash out, bumbo clad. Me no crash out, hey girl over here. Me no crash out. I no crash me blood clot crash out. It's another word for when me blood clot doing a real life.
Oh, hold on to my sister, girl. Hold on to my sister, girl. I'm silent.
Morning. A nigga me live to blood clot and show me ignorant. If me know them girl, them me blood them. Anyway, I blood clot on for Rosie. Remember me a real blood clot Rosie supporter. Girl, me just want sound a blood clot picture. Fuck all liar go run up under your mother stinking blood clot. Wanna eat Rosie for? Why no want the blood clot girl dead left her picnic? When you can't take down my blood clot name and search my picture, cause me only blood clot girl and nigga no afraid for run up on a girl for Rosie. Go suck on no mother and allow the girl alone. I want to man. I want to blood clot uno. I what do uno? Me not hard for blood clot fine. Uno can ask the Tracy anyway and I blood clot told me come meet. No. I want to uno man. I what do uno man? What the fuck wrong with uno? One allow Rose alone, brother. Uno leave the blood clot girl alone, you would. I go suck uno mother. Everything on the blood clot take off of me there, brother. What do uno man? So, for the mother man, I love it, girl. I want to know, brother. Yo, me just want to see one on a blood clot picture and then know what time it blood clot is pussy. And that me they tell you no. You don't feel like man afraid of you, brother. I what do you, man? You come here and crab in a blood clot barrel. That me I tell you, you know.
What you know? You're the bumbo clot. What you know? Here people, when I know people are different people, pussy.
Go suck your mama. Warm belly girl and warm belly man. Go suck your mother.
Wasn't know them neither. Pussies. Wasn't want some defenders who all are with to blood clot. I got her picture. Yes, Tammy.
Go suck your mother, babes. Remember me a real blood clot bad girl in a nigger, babes. Babes, go suck your mother. Remember me a real blood clot bad girl in a nigger. Remember that. Go suck your mother, cause no can't run up on me. Remember me a real blood clot bad girl in a nigger.
Sister, who didn't see how quick liar have them in our box? So necessary I set up this blood clot, but you don't come over bumbo clot back as kind. I want to know so over here, so we defend blood clot Rosie. Rosie trouble them. You know, sister, one a blood clot attack Rosie and one a video. You see Rosie a walk and blood clot trouble them. May I ask you big fuck out, woman, cause you say, if you don't have nothing to do on our type, someone know what you are bumbo clot over here. If you don't see a set up Rosie.
Big fuck out, babes.
Blood clot Rosie.
Big fuck out, babes. You can't talk about me if you go away. Big fuck out, babes. Blood clot. See me as some stab in your face, dirty girl. No feel like a Joe me the pan. Ask anybody in a nigger about me. No normal suck your mother, girl. And what do you, brother? When you feel like you want to see pretty picture up on blood clot TikTok, me a nice somebody girl go run up in your mother pussy hole. And that me they tell you, go suck your mother. I'm not even know man grieving a man in here. That me I tell you no. When Rose did I want her blood clot me a real her.
Hold on, my sister. Come here, go touch a bumbo clot pint. Listen to me now. Liar them over there celebrate for Rosie downfall. We over here I know say this a fuckery. Because everywhere Rosie blood clot go is a problem to them on the arm. You not see that. You not see the people them about Rosie. Pussy one liar over there rejoice. Who is blood liar and have a name on the app? Liar can't reach in a Rosie level. No blood clot there. Liar and have a name on the bumbo clot app. So one come tell us say, we for back the blood clot fuckery and liar over there have the two bumbo clot girl in them our box where Rosie go on our business shoot for go collect our money. And then bumbo clot do that. I'm telling on a bumbo clot something. And don't go there. On a low with bumbo clot over here, sir. Cause we ever defend blood clot Rosie. We back as Ghana. We ever.
Hold on the time. A big old girl. Where you come talk about Akeem never do nothing for a big old girl. Did they?